Hello guys, today we have some really cool cars that I want to show you. Starting with the Maserati. So this is a really cool Maserati, really low because of course we don't want the air to go into it. Even
This is
MC20 Maserati.
the MC20.
Yeah. Even with the full engines. I think there's a V12, right?
No, that's a twin turbo V8.
V8. Okay. Yeah, but they have two even something special. We have blue brakes.
Oh yeah, actually the brakes and the wheels looks nice.
Yeah.
But there is no carbon fiber around it, huh?
This section side. No, that is blue leather, black leather,
Only the center console has some
carbon
fiber,
fiber.
yeah. But the blue and black looks
Look,
nice.
Italian flag.
Yeah, because Maserati is made in Italy.
What's African?
Yeah, all the cool cars made in Italy, right?
Going with the Mercedes. Turbo 4matic. Yes.
Oh, but this is the GLE. It's the GLE, yes.
GLE Mercedes AMG
AMG. GLE 53, okay.
53.
So this is the 53.
So the AMG here. Even we have a triangle custom. Even this is like a family car.
Mm-hmm.
It can fit like, I don't know, but somewhere around 5. Even with the small brakes over here, fat and small, color gray. Nice. We have a big logo, another logo.
Oh, this is the AMG logo.
That's pretty much all. Get to them. Going with the Mercedes. This is another Mercedes, same like that one, but different.
This is the S class.
Different size, S-Class, Mercedes-Benz, nice surroundings, all brown and black inside. Even wow, look at this wheel. Brakes up here. Let me tell you. Oh, this big. Says Mercedes-Benz in the back. F450. We got the iconic Mercedes logo. 4matic Mercedes.
Check out this Levant. This is the Maserati Levant. It has the carbon fiber here.
Wait, we can open it. And even like when it's launch, it goes like really low like this.
Mm-hmm.
Like I think the suspension of the body, like when it flies launch like then the body will all go down.
You think it would go down?
Yeah. Because remember, look at that. Next is the MC Maserati. Same like that Maserati, but even family car. We have here bottom dash. No, not the dash. I mean the
This is the front splitter. It's carbon fiber.
all carbon fiber. Here's carbon fiber. Carbon
Oh, there is carbon fiber here also.
also here. This should be an expensive car because of all of this carbon fiber. Guess what, folks? We have more carbon fiber in here. If I close the trunk, more carbon fiber from here all the way to here.
The whole back diffuser, not the whole back diffuser. Nice carbon fiber
How am I
patches.
supposed to close this?
Baba, don't close it. Leave it just like this.
Let's see the headlight. What's it for? Again,
Oh, just for decoration.
decoration.
Yeah,
Then what's inside them?
they look nice.
Guess what? Over here in the front, these are the headlights. The headlights actually looks like an Audi headlight.
Yeah.
Our worst car here is a Range Rover. But our coolest, we'll see later. Next we have is the Porsche. What is the Porsche? Range Rover. Land Rover Defender. Of course, we got the really big jumper. Like from here to here. Here to no, from here to here. The bumper. This is the hood here. This one over logo. Even we have the big headlight. Even we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these sticks over here. Even the giant brave defender. And this is a really thick, like whatever, maybe because
Oh, this is because it's a new car.
and also the door handles here. So squarey and triangles. This is like a square car. Same also the front as well. Also, it is a family car, you know. We can fit a lot of persons here, even more than 5, like in that Maserati or Mercedes. Got the tail light. We got an extra tire in case that or that get broken. Don't mind the car behind me, by the way. Yeah. Tail lights, there's like 2 tail lights. I didn't know that. And I got 2 more here. And let's go to the Land Rover. So of course, we got Land Rover, Range Rover. That's a Land Rover and a Range Rover. Of course, we have a clear Land Rover.
They are both Land Rover, but this one is a Range Rover, this one is Defender.
Defender and Range Rover.
Yes.
These names actually kind of sound weird. Let's go ahead and look over here. So we have a family car over here. Seats here all the way to here.
صحة.
Even I think this is the speed it says here.
No, this is the size of the tire. The rims is 22 rims. The height is 45 millimeters and the width is 285.
Scorpion GM0 LR. It's a Scorpion.
Yeah, that's the brand of the tire.
Not to mine. Also,
Yeah, that's what they call 22 inch. Actually, the 22 inch is the rim without the tire.
this is
Yeah, this is 22 inch.
the back we cannot fit, so I will take you guys to show you.
تعال.
Over here we have some. Where is the tail lights?
تعال.
Where are the tail lights?
Here,
That?
that's the tail light.
Also, when so you just open the tail light,
No, don't open, they blacked out.
blackout.
Yeah, they are color black from the outside, but when you turn it on, they will become red.
That's the screen that acts like a headlight. Let's go to the cold cars now. Don't choke on this one.
Okay. Yeah.
And then the Range Rover. Because now we have a Ferrari waiting for you. Right here. Ferrari. This is a Ferrari, of course. V12?
No, this is V8. This is the Ferrari Roma. Ferrari Roma Spider.
Roma Spider. Yes. Really small door handle. What? I always wanted to see what does a Ferrari logo looks like in the steering wheel. What? Of course, we have this big air vent. Is it called the air vent?
Yeah.
Like,
Because it sucks air inside the engine.
so instead of the air going here, it just goes. And this is actually like a pretty low car. Even look at how long is the hood. From here all the way to here.
Yeah, so
I
can you fit
I-
that big V8 inside it?
These are really big. The V8's like over here, this big. Coming up to the Bentley. The Bentley is really nice. I like the color, the wheels. Wow. Look at that in the middle of the car.
It's so luxurious, huh?
So shiny. Of course, we have to be with the gold. Yeah, we have to be. The best logo, 1919, 2019. All the air comes from here. This is the camera, that's here.
Look at the headlight, like it looks like a crystal.
You know what I just realized?
What?
Look, this guy starting from there to the end of the hood, all the way coming here. All the way from here.
Yeah, it's cut it in half.
Yeah. And last thing, I wanted to show you the time. P0, whatever, Pirelli.
Pirelli.
And yeah, does it have the Italian stuff?
No, because the Bentley is a British car.
Coming up to the McLaren.
We didn't see the Tigra.
What?
The Tigra.
What do you mean?
We didn't check it out. We skipped it.
What do you mean I skipped it? No, we just did it. No. Yeah, actually we did it too. Okay, going to the Porsche Targa 911
Heritage. This is the Heritage edition.
You know what's so cool? 911 Targa Porsche 45, all golden.
All gold, huh?
No carbon fiber? That's the most important thing that we want.
What about these red wheels?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticks. What else is this?
And the red interiors, actually. Ooh.
Red and black. They even have the Porsche logo. Wait, I want to take look at the Porsche. That's a Ferrari logo right here.
It's a shield, it's not a Ferrari, it's a shield. And it's a,
Look,
because no, Porsche Baba, they have, like, they used to have in Germany a stable for horses, And the Ferrari logo.
Wait. Remember this, okay? The horse, everyone. And come follow me. Same thing.
No, this is a bouncing horse. That one is a running horse.
It's a bounce. No. Let me check if that's real. What's that like doing? It is jumping. It is a jumping horse. And the rest of it is just a Porsche. We call it a Porsche for skip, but it's actually called a Porsche.
It's a Porsche.
Porsche.
Yeah.
And we all want to close your eye for this. Cover the camera for this.
Okay.
Cover the camera.
Hmm.
Okay. Follow me like this, Baba. Come front. Okay. Here.
Which one do you want to start with? This one?
Coming up to the McLaren.
This is the 650, 675. 675 RT.
That have been just cleaned. Baba, the orange interior.
Papaya.
Look,
Papaya orange.
all carbon fiber.
Yeah, and look at the slick tires, Baba. Semi-race tires. No,
675 McLaren LT. Look, even the logo.
So, the LT,
The whole
yeah,
bumper is all carbon fiber.
it's all carbon fiber.
This should be like a 500,000 car.
The LT is actually stand for the long tail.
Long tail.
Yes, and this is the sporty version of the
Yeah, actually,
675.
yeah, look how long this tail.
Yeah, so
Oh. If you look over here closely, you can see purple and pink and yellow and orange.
this is titanium.
Yeah. Look where the McLaren logo's added.
Yeah, that one is very nice actually.
What's even cooler is
This is one of my favorite cars. It's very, very nice.
it a V8?
It's a twin turbo V8, yes.
Twin turbo V8. And yeah. There's a door handle here. You just
Yeah.
look at this carbon. Look, I'll show you all of the carbon fiber. Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber. Even we have carbon fiber, carbon fiber. Also we have carbon fiber, carbon fiber. Also carbon fiber. Also here carbon fiber. Inside carbon fiber. Like there. Those are. I swear I like heard a Porsche GT3.
GT3 RS.
It's a Porsche LED matrix system. Actually, I found the same car, and I think I found it in a restaurant. I took a video of it because of how cool it is. Look, the whole
very
wood
cool.
carbon fiber.
Well, the logo here is actually a sticker.
Scanners.
No. This is Baba, this is the sportiest version of the.
Why is stickers more expensive than real?
Baba, this is the sportiest
Baba.
version of the.
Look at this. Real. Real.
Yeah, but which one is faster? Which one do you think is faster around the track? If you take both of these cars around the track, which one will be faster? No, this one.
That one.
No. This one will definitely be faster.
Why? Because it's a V12?
No, that one is a
Oh, wait, I
V12.
know why.
Why?
Because they added the sticker so they can add lower weight.
It's lower weight. That's one thing.
That's
The other thing, it's all the adjustability in the car. Like you can adjust
so then
almost
how-
everything. It's because engineered less aerodynamics.
all the air will go through here. So
Yeah.
no need to worry. Like this. All supercars actually have this. So, because if they don't have it, like if this is covered, then all the air will like punch the car.
Actually,
It will slower the car.
yeah.
But in regular cars, they don't have it because they go slow. Only in sports car like this.
Actually, this wing.
Turbo. I think that's
No, that's not the turbo. Turbo is in the back.
on the back.
Because the whole engine is in the back. Actually, this car also doesn't have turbo. This car is naturally aspirated. It's an NA car. Yeah.
By the way, look at this. This means literally higher.
This is a
than me.
DRS wing. It can open and close.
I am 8 years old and this is still higher than me. Wait. No, never mind. I cannot hide. All the air will go through here to here. Oh, that's a hard one. Sorry, Porsche. Yeah. Of course, it says GT3 RS. Of course, we have a Porsche GT3 RS Hot Wheels, and it's kind of cool. And do we have one?
Yeah, we have one, but the older one, not this one.
Yeah, the older one. Finally, the last car. Last car, come on. Oh, don't check the interior. They have their own Porsche cup.
Yeah.
No, no.
Carbon fiber roll cage, huh?
Yeah. Look, the whole roof is carbon fiber. Coming up to the, you don't want to look. Don't let them look. Go
Okay.
with the camera and follow me.
Yeah. I'll just point the camera this way.
If you want to look at the precious cars here, no,
Yeah.
come here. Face that way.
Face that way.
Come,
Okay.
come back, back.
Ah, back.
Over here coming to the Lamborghini.
Ta-da.
Along Italian flag in the back. Oh, final. This might be the lowest car. Look at this. Of course, it has really tall headlamp. And this is a pretty one with the carbon fiber. Look at the interior.
So
Start
cool.
button. The start button's inside that red thing. What's even cooler, it's not just the Lamborghini Huracan.
This is a Aventador.
It's a Lamborghini Aventador, not even a not even a Huracan or an Urus, but it is a SVJ.
Look at that wing, ya salam.
Dude, we're showing the SVJ. Last time we have found an SVJ that costed 3,200,000 reals.
This one I think it's about the same.
Look, Baba. If you have a Lamborghini, look, we are going to order McDonald's with my Lamborghini, right?
Yeah.
And you don't feel like going inside your house and eating inside in your house. Just
You have your own
perfect
table,
thing.
huh?
And if you just want to make your fries or burger hotter, perfect thing. Just use the carbon fiber for the table. Or you
Look
can
at
use,
this diffuser.
or because it's carbon fiber, you can use this. You know what's the best part?
Hmm?
Where you can eat McDonald's. Dude, I can literally see the engine. V12?
That's a V12, yes, of
A
course.
V12. This
It's a naturally aspirated V12. This is the last V12 actually in the production these days.
This is the only V12 out of all of these cars.
Yes,
Bentley, no V12.
V8.
Mercedes, Maserati, Mercedes, Ferrari, Maserati, Bentley, McLaren, Porsche, Range Rover, all no V12 except for the Lamborghini.
Except for this one, yes.
Except for it.
And that's what make it special, very special car.
Wait, why is the tail lights like this, like straight, but the headlights
Ah, it's not that straight. You see, like this is the octagon shape. It has these triangles in it.
It's like not like this, it's like this.
Yeah, but still have this triangular octagon shape.
Take a look at this. Take a look at that. Wow.
Very nice, huh?
Yeah.
And this is actually ceramic. You see, like this
Guys.
here is ceramic.
Guess what?
That one on the McLaren is ceramic. Look at the difference between them and the Bentley. The Bentley is steel.
Just steel.
Steel. So you see this difference? Look at the difference between this one
Yeah. Remember this guy
and that one.
and this one.
That one is ceramic. That one is steel. Sorry, that one is ceramic.
This one is like small.
You know that one? This one alone, it cost like something like $20,000.
Nope. I bet a V.
I don't know, something like 50,000 riyal.
Like maybe in 2050 they'll release a V100. V100 and a Lamborghini SVJ. It costs like about 100 billion. Because for an SVJ, oh my god. Look at this. This will be creepy to you if you were trapped inside there.
So, thank you to Elaf Car. This is very nice.
Thank you for watching the Noah Guy's Car video. No, Noah King of Car video channel. Thank you for watching this very cool, legendary video.
Yeah, and thank you to the car dealership also, Elaf Cars.
Noah King of Cars. This will release right there. So goodbye guys. See you on another video. Bye.